Beautiful people, you're welcome to my new home. If you've been following, you know that we just recently moved from our previous apartment. This was our first apartment in the UK, and I'm grateful for it. But we've grown, you guys, we have grown, and now this is our new home. And I know that I should not be showing you guys my new home like this because it's a mess, but it is what it is, and I'm so excited to share this journey with you guys, this part of our lives with you guys, really. Honestly, guys, this house is a mess. I shouldn't be vlogging. We just moved in tonight, and we have our things literally all over the place, literally all over. We're cooking rice and microwaving stew. I've been wanting to vlog to show you guys, but man, I've just been busy moving things upstairs, gradually setting up and all that.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Oh, who is doing that? Zim, don't do that.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Just please, can you help me take this bag upstairs? Or should we take it to... Do you guys remember this from the other house?
Look, all you.
Bubble. Should we take it to that place?
And keep it up, yeah.
And take it since you're passing. Since you're passing, it's heavy.
Yay.
Thank you.
Me.
Yeah.
Mommy. 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 Look at it.
Don't throw again. If I throw you, tell me that I should catch it. We're not throwing again.
Mommy.
Okay? Yes, little.
Mommy.
Let's quickly digress a little bit and talk about London, the famous London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. This bridge is not falling anytime soon, no. All right, you guys, if you love Lagos, if you're Nigerian and you love a place like Lagos, you love the very busy life where people are just moving and moving and moving, you know, time is never enough, you know, there's just the hustle and bustle, you love nightlife, you love clubbing, you love, you know, you just love to be out there, then London is your city. I promise you, London is your city. But for me, I do not like that kind of life, you know, so I have never liked living in London. London is a place that I would just visit for fun, you know, so I prefer places that are serene, you know, so I chose a place that that offers a bit of nature and the urban life still, you know, so I'm able to have a balance. And you know, because I've got kids, I do not want to raise my kids in London for any reason. No. You know, so I just want a place that has both, you know, just the urban life and nature and, you know, just that calmness. So London, this is me officially saying goodbye. I didn't give you it's finished. You guys, so let me just see what happened. Early this morning, or last night, I was admitted in hospital last night, and I came back this morning and we moved today. It's not been easy. That's why I'm sweating and I'm wearing a sweater. I'm wearing this thick cardigan because, bro, the fever is real. Goodness me. I miss Nigeria because person get one house and they just sit down, they give others. Oh yeah, do this, put this there, put that. No, well, this kind of thing, I'll do things myself for the most part.
Yeah.
Oh no! Stop that, kimchi. Stop playing. We're not playing. We're arranging.
I'm making a mess.
Stop it, kimchi.
I will not put on television for you.
Go and pick those ones, Zimchi. Daddy's trying to set up for you so that you can eat and sleep now.
What television? Wow, I found it.
Come on. He's still back.
You like new house?
They went home.
They went home. Yes.
Not him yet.
Yes.
Yes. Mom, come and jump my bed.
Well, we need to arrange, okay?
Make the mess.
I'm asking only one jacket.
Wow, amazing.
Won't you get them?
I walk in the road.
Yes, get them, get them. Now this is my bed, and I was seeing this type of bed for the first time. First of all, it is so heavy. It is so heavy, and it came laminated. I have never seen such a thing before. And yeah, it's an orthopedic foam that comes with 10 years warranty. I'm sure you can hear my baby in the background. That's just to add some juice to this vlog. Oh my god. Mind you, yeah, for those that do not know, I just had a baby 7 days before this day, 6 or 7 days, I can't remember. So this was the foam. We really just had to set up this house that night anyway. We just had to set up and eat, because for me, I was breastfeeding. I had not eaten all day, you know. I just needed to just sleep. We were tired from moving to setting up, so we just needed to set up anyhow. So this laminated foam is good. I'm not gonna lie, it is good, and I enjoy it. It just stretches my entire body. I promise you, it's so good. Seeing it rise after some time, you know, was just really, really beautiful and magical. I'm like, oh wow, this is really, really good. And so far, I haven't had any complaints whatsoever. I'm so glad that I got this one. My bed proper had not arrived. It's going to arrive in this vlog, don't worry. But it had not arrived. I had to sleep on the floor the first night. We just had to sleep anyways, you know. So setting up is not easy. Feeding baby in between, you know, feeding the kids in between and all of that. But yeah, thank God for my husband. Thank God.
It's in the kitchen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, of course. Mommy, let's play hide and seek tonight.
No, it's time to sleep. Are you not tired?
Yeah.
You're tired, right?
I'm
You watch television and sleep, but you have to eat first.
I'll eat bread and tea.
You eat this, then daddy will make tea, you drink tea. Isn't she?
Mom, you see?
Hey, don't! Trash it. Please, everybody is tired, please.
I don't
Come out. All those places are dirty. We need to wash tomorrow. I want to clean up everywhere tomorrow.
No. Can't do clean up. It's on the way. Daddy.
want to talk, but I'm tired. I'm so tired. All I want to do is just have a shower. I'll not even have a shower. I wish I could. I'm just tired. I want to sleep. Gosh.
No, it's more.
The next morning.
Oh, let me go. Baby is crying.
Mama, go down.
Guys, it's the next morning and I spent my night feeding baby.
Mommy,
My bed arrived like 7 a.m.
look,
Yes, Jamal. 7 a.m. today.
look.
That's my bed. Yes, Jamal. Yes, sweetheart. Okay, what company is that?
Mom, can I come inside?
Okay, let me come inside and see. Excuse me.
I can't close the door.
No, don't
Close the door.
How can you close us here, Jamal? No, you can't. Daddy is working so hard.
Mommy, can you close the door?
No,
Don't close.
don't close. It's hot. Look at everybody is sweating. It's not the stupid wallpaper in my room that I hate. It's not a wallpaper, is it?
You do wallpaper in your room.
No,
In your room.
Don't worry about it. This one is what?
I don't know.
no, I don't stop.
Is it the floor?
I don't know where they is.
Okay, wait, Jamal, let me come out. You guys are sweating, hmm? You don't want the sun to come inside. So that's why you want to close. Is this... What is this? Is this soil? What is it? Is it manure? Or is it soil?
Yeah.
My mind is telling me to plant pepper and ugu. That one, okay. I've not even... Oh, baby, this thing. I've not even reached here since. Here you go.
Come on.
Oh, your garden is
No,
nice.
it's for the back. It's for the back. Which garden?
It's for the where?
It's inside now.
It's not inside that box. Put in that Christmas box. It's for Christmas. Eh?
We don't need our normal pocket anytime soon, have you?
We do. The baby's on. I just realized we do.
When?
Soon.
Well, give me this.
Okay, Jamal. The Nigerian in me is doing me. Oh, this thing is here. These berries that we used to pluck.